First, bind your eSIM card in Linklan. This activates a pre-installed plan or lets you add a new one. Insert your Linklan eSIM card. Download Linklan and sign in. Turn on Bluetooth and location. Go to My Devices, add device and bind your card. Bind eSIM card. Binding successful. Plan included? Turn on data roaming and connect. No plan? Choose Linklan or a third-party eSIM plan. Redeem a voucher in coupons or choose a plan in the eSIM store. Tap Install eSIM. Choose your card and plan, then install. For third-party plans, choose QR code or manual input. Got a QR code? Scan it or choose one from photos. Got an LPA code? Choose manual input, paste it, and tap Confirm. Copy and paste the code exactly as provided. Follow the prompts to finish installation. Check your ICC ID and plan status. Turn on data roaming. Connected? You're good to go. You're connected. Enjoy your Linklan eSIM.